Alright, so welcome back to our channel. So in this video, we'll be looking at our Forex weekly outlook 25th of March for this week. We're going to see what's going on in the market, alright, to see what is happening, alright, currently. Alright, so if you're looking to trade any currency pair, any pair like GBP USD, Euro USD, alright, just stay tuned so that we first know the direction for the week, know the overall direction where the market is driving to, where liquidity is, and all right, so that we can position ourselves to profit from the market. All right, so stay tuned. First of all, know the direction for the dollar index, which is the base pair, which is the base pair. First of all, know the direction for the dollar index. Last week we did a live, right? Did a live, and we said that dollar index for us is bullish. What we're seeing is price um, that will go bullish, right? And if you check last week, what price was bullish. Price was bullish, and if you took advantage of what price did, you would have been profitable last week. You would have been profitable quite. All right. All right. So for this week, we'll be looking at some major currency pairs, all right? But first of all, let's first know the direction of the dollar. So what we're going to do is we'll go to the higher time frame, which is the monthly, because these are the main drivers of the market, main drivers of liquidity. So we're going to monthly time frame now to see what's going to happen, what's happening. Although I already did this on my chart, but we'll just go through them again so that you can understand why we are bullish on DXY. Why we're bullish. All right, so I'll just take out all this line, right? I'll just take out all this line. I'll just take them out. I'll just take them out. All right, so you can see clean charts, right? Clean charts, right? All right, so what are you seeing in the market? Currently, we can see that the market is forming. Okay, let's check from previous structure leg. All right, so we saw that the market took out this overall low, right? Took out this overall low. That's all-time low, right? Give us a clear break of structure to the downside. This is the monthly time frame, so you will know what we're talking about. Took out price there, and what happened? We're still expecting that price will still push down. Of course, we had this that lower high, lower low, then price lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Then price refused to take out this low. Then we had higher low. Then before price what gave us a change of structure to the upside here. All right. So um, as an ICT trader, what you be looking out for, you want to take note of the change where price give us a change of character. So and in that change of character, we had a breaker block there because price gave us a failure swing. This is what a breaker block is. Price get failure swing to the down and continue to the other side. Price will come into the breaker block and push all the way up. So we saw that happened here. So what price did here was price came into this breaker block, this mitigation block, sorry, and pushed all the way up. So you can see price if we take our fib, you see that price did come into the 50% region, which is the discount level. All right. If you don't understand how these things works, you can message us and join our Telegram um, mentorship. Join our Telegram channel to understand all these things. You can see that price came into the mitigation block, and that was in line with our key level, which is our 50%, which is our discount level. And what happened from there? We saw another break of structure to the upside, right? Another break of structure to the upside, and all right. So I'll just okay, so that you can understand these things clearly. That was the lower low. Now give us another. That was the higher low, higher high. Then now we're currently the swing, the range we're currently in is from this high to our previous low. This low. This is our new range. So what are you going to do in a range? You're going to wait for price to come into the discount level before you buy. So we saw took our fib and price came into the 50. This is our key level. This level here was our key level that we're waiting for price to come into. Um, this zone, these are discount level. This whole zone is our discount level. So we're waiting for price to come into that level so we could look for possible buys, right? So what are we saying here? We saw that price gave us a what? A mitigation block. Failure swing, price came into this region and now into this mitigation block, which is that buy candle there, and now price wants to take this previous high. All right, so this is what we are explaining for the monthly time frame, right? So this zone, if we want to refine it, we'll use our mitigation block, which is this last buy candle there, and we'll just see that currently. Let me just use this to represent it so that my chart will not be that classy. Come, let me remove all this white. Then come in, let me edit this very well. So hope you guys can hear me. Hope you guys can hear me. So that is okay. I'll just draw it again so that it will be clearer. And I'll remove this market structural line, right? So, but what I'm trying to say is that is the mitigation block. That's is on the monthly time frame. So, what are we expecting? So, if you look at what happened here, a swing point have been formed. What is a swing point? Theory candle price action, where the lowest candle, the middle candle is the as the lowest point, right? So we saw that a swing point formed here. This is the candle. This is the candle here. This um this this bearish candle before this bullish candle, and price, in fact there was a shift in structure here from here, bullish. This from monthly time frame, there was a shift in structure there, and price came into this rejection, um this institutional outflow, which is the rejection block there. And what are we seeing now currently? We're seeing price pushing up. So this was the block that the institution used to take price to the up. I hope you are following. All right. So what we're basically now seeing is that price wants to push to the upside to take out this previous high. This being our external range liquidity, whereby we'll be seeing price um, momentum, the momentum of price heading towards that direction. you see the price is heading towards that direction. And what are we? Okay, I'll just remove this because we know that there's a mitigation block there, right? So I just want it to be clean so that you understand what I'm saying, right? So some of you will say, why am I using this? Because this is the recent swing point, right? From this swing to this swing, and that's our range. So let's go to the weekly time frame to see what's going to happen. Let's see what is structured there on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frame, you can see clearly that the market already gave us that shift of structure, bullish, because we saw the market gave us a sweep to the downside, right? Taking out that liquidity. If you look, that was liquidity grab that liquidity, equal lows, grab that liquidity and give us a change of character to the upside, right? Give us a change of character to the upside. And what happened? Price should come into the bullish order block, which is the last bearish candle. And what did price do? Price came into that region, and now we're seeing that price give us a shift to the upside. So on the weekly time frame, what are you waiting for? Let's mark out our remember, this is our ultimate external range liquidity. That's the highest point external where we are targeting, right? All right. So but what can we see here? You can see that price is what currently, this is our range for the, let me just okay, these are range, that's year from year to year, right? That's our range. And price came into the discount level and pushed to the upside. So what are we expecting? So for the daily time frame, so for the daily time frame, so daily time frame, let's see what happened in the daily time frame. um Daily time frame, you will see clearly the order block that was used to push price to the upside. And you see, so you will see that if you refine this, you see the price used last um this last bearish candle, and now this was a low. So that was used, and price took up to the upside. So where is the change of character? Let's go. So you see the price came, give us, right. This wasn't a clear low because there was no theory candle price action, right? So this was a quite clear swing low, and now we got a clear swing high